How to fix Skype call drops problem. To fix the Skype's call drops problem, first of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of 2025, but it has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue within the Microsoft Teams, you simply have to try to disable battery optimization. First things first, you simply have to go ahead and launch your device's setting application. Once you open it, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top, then type applications. Tap on the see all option to view all the apps within your device. Tap on the search bar on the top right, then type Teams to directly jump to the application icon. Once you tap on this, now you simply have to go ahead and scroll down to the battery section. Once you find it, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. From there, you simply have to now change the settings from optimized to unrestricted. Once you do this, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.